Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share.
Why do you do like this now?
What shall I do? I am tired of life. I am one who has no one to turn to. What shall I do? What shall I do? I am tired of life. Oh. As we are, so she was. As she is, so shall we be. my life. Now that you're no more, what is my joy in this wicked world? Why, mother? Why must I live without you? Mother! Please come back! My friends and countrymen, my sorrowful and melancholy tale goes beyond my tears of misery. For more than 16 years, Ezima, Emenike and I lived peacefully, a happy family. Until last year when Emenike, my compassionate foster father, danced to the drum beat of his ancestors. Although Emenike was not my real father, the story of my biological father was revealed to me only after Emenike and Ezima, my mother, had passed on to eternity. As the story goes, Ezima, my mother, was a beautiful daughter of a heartless blind beggar. She loved her mother so much that she was always beside her by the woodside. Ezima's amiable disposition attracted a lot of harms to her blind mother's home. One evening, a famous millionaire popularly called the Prime Minister spotted Ezima where she was reclining by the dwarf wall, just by the busy pedestrian lane, right opposite Madame Zakaren's table. Unable to resist Ezima's dazzling beauty, he instructed his driver to take some roasted chicken to her. Ezima, speechless and astonished when the chicken was brought to her, accepted it with a sense of gratitude and quickly informed her blind mother about it. Just as the Prime Minister was about to step into his car, Ezima and her blind mother rushed to say thank you. Thank you for the gift. Oh, is your mother blind? Yes. It looks like an accident. Woman, what happened to your eyes? I lost my eyes and husband during the Civil War. Since then, we have resorted to the street, begging for alms. Wow! So you mean this beautiful girl does not have a real hope of surviving in life? We are war victims. Moana village during the Nigerian Biafra Civil War. All of our blood religions were wiped out during the entire raid of 1968. Since then, when there isn't any hope of surviving in life, we're resorting to the streets, begging for arms. Oh, I can imagine what you and your beautiful daughter must have gone through. It's okay. Take this. Oh. Thank you. Thank you very much, my son. May God bless you. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. What is 20,000 naira? It cannot even solve your problem. I will try as much as possible to make sure that I bring your suffering to an end. See, Mama, what your daughter needs is a good job. That way, she can take good care of you and herself. But my daughter only have first school leaving certificate. She dropped out of school when the war broke out. It's okay, not a problem. I have actually been looking for a smart young lady that will serve as my personal assistant. And Izima here seems good. Izima, here is my complimentary card. Come to my office right to receive your appointment letter. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. This is so nice. But, sir, how do I hope to work for you and take care of my blind mother at the same time? Not to worry. Not to worry. I will arrange a temporary home for you and also a helper that will take care of your blind mother whenever you are away at work. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, my son. We do not know how to thank you for your kind gestures. May good Lord. The Prime Minister offered to help us with a temporary house and also a helper that will take care of my mother whenever I'm away at work. Hey, Mom! Well done. That is very good. You see, this is a very good opportunity for you and your mother. 5,000 naira every month, courtesy of the best telecommunication ever. Jessica and her blind mother celebrated our appointment.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share.